It's time for the word. Come on, somebody. We live by faith and not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7. Be blessed. Hey, how are you doing? My name is Afi Elizabeth. If this is your first time tuning in, hey, you are most definitely welcome on this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do like the videos that you are watching. Wait, there's only one video, which is this one. If you like this video, make sure you press subscribe and also press the notification bell button to be notified every time you'll see us upload the content. If you are a returning subscriber, sis, you already know the vibes. What it do, baby? I hope you're doing well. Today's video, we are going to be doing a crochet tutorial. Now, this is not your typical crochet tutorial where you have everything together, okay? This is leftover hair. I want to do some faux locks. I just wanted something, you know, to make me look good for 2 weeks. I'm getting tired of ponytails, and I'm sure y'all getting tired of ponytail tutorials. And yeah. So for the hair that I am going to be using is a leftover of my sister crochet, and it is the Faux Locs Crochet, the Rapple 18 inches 3-pack ×3 Faux Locs Crochet. It's basically from, well, it's not basically, it is the Kanekalon brand. And yeah, it's one of those crochets that are wavy, and then it's just we have 2.5 packs of this, so we're gonna try to use 2.5 packs of this. There's 3 in there, so I'm hoping we have enough. If not, oh Lord Jesus, we better make it enough. Let me get that together. So what I did was I did singles right here, and then I connected them all the way down. So this, because I don't have enough crochets, this actually helps with not using too much hair. So if you're on a budget, this technique right here would definitely help you out, sis. Okay, and yeah, I'm going to show you how I do the rest via voiceover. So tap 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 in. Okay, so this is how I do my cornrows. What I like to do is I like to braid it all the way until where, wait, no, I braid it back where, I'm trying to understand. Seigneur. I braid the braids down, and I stop braiding at the end of my ears, if that makes sense. Where my ears stop, that's where I stop, and then I grab the other braids and I connect them together. So what you're seeing right now is me doing the second part, or doing the last part of my braids. And once I do that part, wherever my ears, wait, not wherever, but where my ears stops, that's when I connect the hair together. So you basically get a 2-in-1 straight back, if that makes sense. I like to do this method because it kills time whenever I want to, you know, speed up my process of crocheting. And then after I'm done, I just take that, I braid everything straight together. Well, I braid the bottom part of my hair together, and then I use the crochet and I crochet it through the braids. I wouldn't recommend this technique right here if you have thick hair. I feel like the thicker the hair, the tougher, or it just, to me, it doesn't look right if your hair is super thick. You might as well just do a single cornrow if your hair is super thick, but you can still manage. I've seen people do this with thick hair, and I don't know, it does the job for them. But as for me, this is one way I like to do my braids if I want a quicker step to whatever crochet style I'm doing. So as far as the hair, sis, the hair was the hair, okay? This brand is really good. I actually like the brand. I'm not a fan of wavy faux locks, but the brand did some things, okay? I actually like the crochet. It's actually some really good crochet. found out that these are like different styles. She really did play me because she mixed her old Faux Locs and gave me another pack. So now I look crazy, but we just need something for the moment. Whoopi Goldberg said what? Jesus, take the wheel. And it's different colors. I forgot we have 2 different types of hair types and color. Well, I didn't forget the hair types part. I forgot the color part. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm gonna just go back watching my Parkers. Ooh, let's pour it. Now, as far as like the, I want to say the feeling to the hair, the texture, I guess you want to say. As far as the hair, like how it feels, because it's like the waviness, for me, I feel like it feels like a twist style that's undone. I don't like my crochets to look like hair that's been twisted. Oh my gosh, what am I trying to say? I like the dready look, like it's like knotted look. I like the tangled together feeling with the dreads. This one you don't get it. You get more of a loose dreaded hair, if that makes sense. Like it's not tight, it's like loose dreads. If you can see it, you see what I'm saying? Like you can look at the reflection a little bit. If you, sis, I'm trying, you know. If you look at the hair from the roots, you can see how loose the dreads are. If you can tell, thank you so much. If you can't, squint your eyes, like, you know, close your eye, not close it, but like close them a little bit and then open them up a little bit, squinch them a little bit. You'll be able to see it. But the hair is pretty cute. I really do like it. I was able to hide the straight dreads. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope, you know, you found some type of, you know, inspiration from this look. If you have leftover leftover edges, definitely put your own remix into them and make it do what it do, baby. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.